จนฉันไปเจอกันแบบเล่นการเดินทางแสงตะวันส่องใส่รักเล่นจนหนาว laughter สะท้อนจนหน้าก็มันขอและไม่มีปัญหาเป็นเกี่ยว
The Laos Ramada Wyndham Hotel is a new 5-star landmark in Vientiane City that maintains national guest-level network standards for a flawless experience. The online experience must not only guarantee an exceptional Wi-Fi experience in every room, but also extend to public areas such as the restaurant, pool, and gym. Experiencing Wi-Fi problems like high latency, roaming interruptions, or disconnections is simply unacceptable.
Our rooms have many devices, including IPTV and phones. The deployment and maintenance of wiring is a significant challenge when issues arise. It is crucial to identify and resolve issues within 30 minutes, making our solution selection process very strict.
After testing various suppliers, the Ruijie solution emerged as the best option due to its foundation in Ethernet technology. The unique e-Lighten architecture is the key. Integrating the characteristics of the PON network and Ethernet backbone, it utilizes OLT and ONU devices for connectivity. It successfully isolates east-west traffic at the physical layer. The key advantage of Ruijie is its ability to automatically generate a deployment plan based on our needs without calculating split ratios. The network deployment and AP signal coverage generated by Ruijie are significantly better than manually designed plans.
We have deployed more than 200 APs to provide connectivity. The APF 1250 AP provides high-speed internet once connected to the room. Television signals and better phone services are very easy to manage, and the ceiling APs guarantee internet needs in public areas. ONU auto-registers on the OLT. I can check all room ONU statuses remotely with Ruijie Cloud, and faults will trigger alerts automatically. Within several minutes, I can solve all the issues, and I strongly recommend the Ruijie e-Lighten solution.